In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Confluence. This is a simple but effective way to customize your workspace and ensure that your experience is as comfortable as possible, especially if you find yourself spending a lot of time on this platform. So, let's dive into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar. Here, type in Confluence and hit the Enter key. You should see the official Confluence website appearing within your search results. Click on it to proceed to their main page. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply log in. If you're new to Confluence, it's just as easy to sign up, and you'll be on your way to personalizing your settings in no time. Once you've logged in or finished creating your account, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu where you'll find a variety of options that help you manage your profile and settings. What you're interested in here is the option that says Theme. Click on Theme, and this will lead you to a new area where you can select your preferred color setup. You'll be presented with three options: Light, Dark, and Browser. The Light mode is the classic bright interface that you might be most familiar with. If you prefer something easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime usage, Dark mode might be the best choice for you. It swaps the lighter colors for darker tones and can really help reduce eye strain. The last option, Browser, will automatically adjust the Confluence background to match the theme settings of your browser or operating system. This is a great choice if you like consistency across different applications you use. Once you've decided which theme suits you best, simply click on it, and your interface will adjust itself accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Confluence background color. Remember, you can switch between these themes whenever you want, depending on your needs or preferences. Whether you're working during the day or burning the midnight oil, a quick theme change can make all the difference in your comfort level. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore other personalization features in Confluence to make it your own. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Enjoy your customized Confluence experience.